Welcome to the Man and the Fan. Today is so excited. We got all these customers here. We're at KTA Superstores, and I got the perfect lady over here, Natalie. And Natalie is with King's Bakery. King's Bakery. Oh, how many years?
This year we're celebrating 75 years.
What are you making today, Natalie?
Today we're going to be making the King's famous French toast using our brown bread.
Wow, using this beautiful round bread that is so nostalgic, right? Hey, you see, I tell you, we get so much customers walking here. You know, just wave, right? Yes,
Really excited to share. This is our original brown bread and kind of our legacy product that we started with.
Okay, Natalie, show me how to cut this round bread.
Okay, perfect. There is a little bit of a special way to go about cutting it.
Okay.
So this is round bread. It comes in this pan, so you can remove it from the pan. And you can save the pan.
Oh, you know, that's one thing about it. Yeah, this pan here, you can reuse it. In fact, we encourage everyone to reuse it.
Yeah,
you can do all kinds of stuff with this pan. Awesome.
Say that you're gonna want to cut it to get the best and thickest slices. You can cut it straight down the middle.
Okay, right down the middle. Okay, perfect. Wow, look at that. Perfect.
Yes, perfect. So from there, again, you're gonna want to get about an inch thick slice, and then you'll quarter it off here. So you'll have 4 quarters. You're then going to take this slice and about an inch thick, cut your piece. And you want it nice and thick so it can still hold its...
Okay, it seems like we're ready, and here's the end.
Yeah.
I love crust.
Perfect.
So delicious.
It is, right?
Wow. It's amazing, right?
Yeah, that's what the ends are for a little snack while you cook.
Okay, next.
So we have our milk. So
Mountain Apple brand. Yes.
Of course.
Local milk.
And so we're gonna do a recipe that serves 2. You can double it if you have more, but you're gonna use a 1/4 cup of milk, 2 eggs.
Mountain Apple brand eggs, all local, right?
Yes. Vanilla. It's gonna be a 1/4 teaspoon.
1/4 teaspoon. Okay. 1/4 teaspoon. How much cinnamon?
This is
1/8.
Eyeball it.
Okay, just eyeball.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Perfect.
Man, you get good eyeball.
Yeah, that was perfectly an 8. And then we'll whisk it up.
Okay, whisk it up. So a tablespoon of butter or oil for frying, right? 1 tablespoon of butter or oil for frying. So, okay, 1 tablespoon butter.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Have you? All right, so this is warming up. Just want to make sure it's fully coated. Put it in the pan. Maybe one more slice in there. So you can see, since it's a little thicker, it soaks a lot of the mixture up, but it still is holding together.
How's it going?
It's looking good.
Hey, it's done. There you go.
Perfect.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Right? Look at that. Huh?
Delicious.
Okay, now let's cut it up in pieces like this. The burger looks so ono. Yeah, look at that. Yeah?
I love it.
Yeah, look at that. You love it. Everybody love it. I love it too. I got this big piece over here, and this thing is piping hot. Just came out of the stove. Mmm.
Yummy.
Wow! Okay, until next time, we'll see you on the Man and the Pan. Come on, big shaka. Aloha, happy 75th anniversary
Thank you.
to King's Bakery. Awesome.